Hey everybody, this is probably the best deal I've seen in a long time. They're doing an interest rate at 2.49 in Collin County. Great area this is to live, super family friendly. This is so affordable. We're talking about a house of a mortgage payment below $2,300. If any of y'all have been disheartened just because of the interest rates and you think maybe you love to be in a brand new home and you love to be below $2,300, please give me a call on my cell phone, 469-231-1057. 469-231-1057. Y'all have a blessed day.